Alright, this is 6th grade Excel lesson number 59, and today we're going to be learning about finding the volume of a rectangular prism. And so here we go with sample number 1. You can see a picture of it right here on the screen. The volume is how many cubes make up the entire shape, and in this case it's being measured by cubic units. We're just calling them plain old cubes. And you can see that along the front here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes, and then moving towards the back of the shape, this bottom level that's in green right here on the screen has 3 rows going back. So if there's 5 going across here and there's 3 of those working their way back, that must mean that there are 15 total cubes that make up floor 1, or the bottom layer of this shape. You can see then that the top is composed of the same thing. And so we have 5 across right here and 3 to the back. So we've got another 15. 5 times 3 equals another 15. Or we can say that we have 1 layer here and 1 layer here. So we have 2 layers of 15. So 15 times 2 is of course equal to 30. And that's how you find the volume of the shape. It's simply found by multiplying the length times the width times the height. Just a big multiplication problem. So here's the length, here's the width back this way, and here's the height, how tall it is. And let's take a look at number 2 now. I'm going to clear this off. And number 2, you'll notice on this shape it looks something like this. Across the bottom here you have 4 cubes. Going toward the back, or the width, we have 2 cubes. And the height of the shape going this way, 3 cubes. So to find the solution, all we have to do is multiply 4 times 3 times 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24. 24 cubic units. It says, can you write a formula for calculating the volume of a rectangular prism? Well, I just gave you the formula. It's done by making letters. See if you can write that down, pause the video, and then turn it back on when you're ready to see what the formula is. Alright, the formula for calculating volume, it's written at the top of your page also, is the length times the width times the height. And all of that is equal to V for volume. Alright, there are a couple problems down at the bottom of the page for you to try. It says, before you do those, it says, because of the commutative property of multiplication, will it matter what order you use when multiplying the length, width, and height? In other words, can we mix up these numbers and do them in a different order and still get the same answer? Of course the answer is, think now, write it down in the blank, write it in the blank. Is it yes or no? The correct answer is, will it matter? No, it will not matter what order you put those numbers in. So go ahead and try numbers 3 and 4. Well, 3 is already done for you, and so you can take a look at that one. 2 times 2 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 cubic yards. So try number 4 and then turn the video back on to see the solution. Okay, so this shape is 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. To find volume, of course, just multiply the 3 dimensions. It's not equal to 9 because that's 3 plus 3 plus 3. So if you got 9, maybe you added on accident. We have to do 3 times 3 first, which is equal to 9, and then multiply that times 3. So there are 27 cubic inches. Cubic inches. Who wrote cubic inches? Did you write cubic inches? I hope you did. If you didn't, you have the wrong label. Another way to write cubic inches is you can put 27 inches with a little 3 up there as an exponent. It has to be after inches, not before inches.